Okay, girls, did you see there's the people putting the sky lantern?
Yeah, I want to do that too.
Actually, I found something even cooler. We can do same one, but eco-friendly. So this is Mr. Lin, and here we're today a very special place. We're gonna use an eco-friendly sky lantern. It's good for environment, and then Mr. Lin is gonna show us how to do that. Wishes come true! Okay, girls, did you see there's the people putting the sky lantern?
Yeah, I want to do that too.
Actually, I found something even cooler. We can do same one, but eco-friendly.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, we can do the same. Write a wish, put it up, but it's not gonna cause any environment trouble.
Is it
Yes.
around here?
It's over there.
Oh, okay, let's go. Yay.
For the travelers, the first time they visit Taiwan, mostly they will ask for a sky lantern release experience. But mostly people don't know in a year in Pingxi there can be released 400,000 lanterns. In 2018, there's a startup team. They invented a sustainable lantern that can be burned in 10 minutes after you release to the sky.
Hi.
你好，你好。
Okay, girls, so this is Mr. Lin. He used to be an elementary school teacher, and here we're today a very special place. We're gonna use an eco-friendly sky lantern. It's good for environment, and then Mr. Lin is gonna show us how to do that.
谢谢你们来这里呢，这个学习这个传统式的这个环保天灯啊。现在我们呢怎样制作方式哈？这个纸张4个方位啊，然后呢再抠一点浆糊，再把它呢由上往下对准它，然后呢前后对齐。
We do this sky lantern in my country when is the double 10 in October. We do this because we have Taiwan and Paraguay relationship, and when is Taiwan's birthday, we do this.
I've never made the sky lantern by myself. I only wrote something there. So it was really interesting experience, and I can call it very peaceful experience, like, because when you do something with your hands, like when you do DIY, you feel really calm in your mind, like you only focus on what you're doing. So it's a really nice experience for like meditating and stuff.
I really feel very grateful because I think that doing all this is part of the culture of Taiwan, and I say that I feel grateful because it's a way to say thank you to Taiwan for being my home now.
This is my second time in Shifen, but this is my first time doing actually the sky lantern by myself. Especially this is the eco-friendly, so it makes me feel much more better when I know I let it go and it's not gonna cause any environment trouble. So I was pretty glad.
Learn Chinese. Because I want to stay in Taiwan, so I want to be fluent in Chinese, to get to know the culture more, to be able to talk to people on the streets. Like sometimes I go to, I don't know, for example, plant market, because I love plants. And there are so many cute Ai and Ama, and I really want to talk to them, like, because they're interested in me, like, oh, why you're here? And I really want to share my experience and know about them, so I really wish I could speak fluent Chinese for that.
I want to go back to Middle East to my tour again. So this is what I'm gonna write, going back to Middle East to think Tiene de donde vengo aires campestres. Tiene su dormir, tiene su sufrir. The lyrics are talking about the people and about how strong they are after everything. And because we have 2 wars and we survive and we make our country to rich again.
I learned that the war started, doesn't matter how much money you have, you cannot buy health and you cannot help your family as soon as like you guys separated.
Wishes come true! And I wrote a lot of wishes because it's really hard to choose a few, and it's something that you really need in your life, like house, money, to survive, family, love, and everything. And then we went here to set the sky lantern to the sky, and I was really afraid that it's not going to fly because it's rainy today and the wind is really strong. But teacher helped us to set it, and when we let it go, the wind was really strong, so the sky lantern took a spin, and I was worried, okay, our wishes are not gonna happen. But in the end, we saw it getting higher and higher and higher, and then it disappeared. So I hope all our wishes will come true.
When I was seeing the sky lantern flying, I feel like, yeah, my wishes is gonna come true. I write the names of my family, my brother, my dad, my mom, and my sister. And my wish is for them to come to know Taiwan. And next year my family is coming, and my auntie and my mom is coming. And of course, I promise that I'm gonna bring them here to have the same experience as me.
If any foreigner or any Taiwanese people come to put the sky lantern up, I would recommend to put the environment-friendly one because it doesn't have any metal thing inside. It's made all from paper, so when you put it up, like 10 minutes and it's gonna be burned, and you don't need to worry that it's gonna be stuck on the tree or something. So yeah, eco-friendly for sure is better.